Brief view on e-library management system. The e-library management system is being developed on PHP as front-end and MySQL as back-end with PDO PHP connection with the recommendation of e-committee civil code Debian. This software facilitates to maintain information about book present in the library with their authors, ISBN and access number. Also, all the records about issue and return book can be maintained by this automated software, which is very difficult to organize manually. Aim and objectives. It is simple to use and operate. It increases efficiency of librarian, save time and reduce overhead. Through this software, we can add, update and view material online of this software. There are two login forms in this software. First is admin login and second is user login. Through admin login, administrator can add, manage, issue book, receive book and also edit and update the information about book. Through user login, user can update their profile and view their issued book. Admin login. This is admin login form. In this admin login form, user input their credential and log into dashboard, which is admin dashboard. Admin dashboard is very dynamic and show all the information about book like book listed, times book issued, times book returned, registered user, author listed and listed category. Category. In this form, the administrator can add and manage category of the books. Authors. Authors can be added and managed by the administrator in this software. This is the main form in which book can be added by the administrator for issuing to registered officials. This is add book form. In this, book name, category, author, ISBN, price, rack number and access number can be added. Through this manage book form, we can edit information about book and we can also delete the information of the book. Issued book. To the registered official, the administrator can issue the book with registered ID. In this form, first official has been registered and then on this registered ID, the administrator issued book. This is the manage issue book form. Through this manage issue form, we can edit information of book which has been issued. Return book. In this return book form, the administrator return their issued book from official registered ID. Registration of officials. In this form, the administrator can manage registered official by activation and inactivation button. If they want to inactive particular registration ID of official, then simple clicking of button can inactivate that officials. Now we describe user dashboard. This is user dashboard which is appear after inputting credential of user. There are two main menu in which book issued and book returned value has been displayed. Through this we can manage user profile and change password. This is user profile updation form and this is change password updation form. Issued book. In the user menu, user can manage the book that has been issued to their registered ID. This is user sign up form. Before any operation on this software, the user has to register themselves into the software and this is the user sign up form. Through this we can register any officials by enter their full name, mobile number, email ID and optional password has been entered twice, and after that a captcha has been entered to register an official. The main feature of this software that is added by the recommendation of E-Committee Civil Code Bettiah is the e-book reading facility of this software, in which more than 100 PDF has been uploaded for different type of Bare Act, which can be downloaded from here to read, and we can also print a hard copy from here to particular Bare Acts. Thanks.